Hi everyone, welcome to the last week of Vlogmas. This is actually only going to be a couple of days, I'm pretty sure, because today is Tuesday and Christmas is on Friday? Yeah, but as you're going to see in the previous Vlogmas, I've just been kind of so all over the place the past couple weeks with our car accident and finding a car. But we actually just bought my car tonight and I'm so excited. I feel like I'm going to have to show you guys like my car. I was gonna wait and just like post my car shopping vlog and then you guys can see it at the end of that. But yeah, so I didn't really vlog the last 3 days for Vlogmas because I was filming my car shopping vlog. So that's gonna be a whole separate video, and this is obviously just like the rest of Vlogmas leading up to Christmas. I'm gonna put this down because my arm always gets tired. Hopefully you can see me. But like I said, another video going up soon is gonna be my car shopping vlog. So I kind of just showed like the whole process of us looking and deciding on one. I'm actually really behind on editing a lot of my Vlogmas. I have to finish week 3, which just pretty much ended, but it should have been up like yesterday or the day before. But we were like right in the middle of deciding on a car, so got a little bit occupied. But I'm hopefully going to be able to edit that tonight or tomorrow and get that up soon. And then this is obviously, you're not going to see this till probably right after Christmas. I have another video. I never posted the one of like us redoing my closet, and that's also like, I mean, it's finished, but I never uploaded it because it kind of like got pushed back with Vlogmas and stuff. So I don't know what order these are going up in, but just look out for that because it's a very exciting video and I'm just so happy and excited and glad it's like weight off my shoulders now because I was like so freaking out just like having to deal with it all. So like I said, today's Tuesday. John's parents are coming in tomorrow from North Carolina and just to visit obviously for Christmas. Tomorrow I still have to work, but hopefully when I get off I can like finish some of my wrapping. I actually haven't even started, so I don't know why I'm saying finish. I'm gonna try and start some tonight because like as always I feel like in every vlog me and my mom watch The Bachelorette because we're always behind. We have to catch up, and these are like the last episodes, so I think we're gonna watch that in a few minutes and I'm gonna do some wrapping. Hopefully I'm gonna start. There was only one more thing I was trying to get John, so I'm just gonna run around and see if I can find it tomorrow, and if not then oh well. But I am done with everything else, so I'm gonna start wrapping and finish that tomorrow, obviously prepare, and then I have Thursday and Friday off for Christmas Eve and Christmas. Christmas Eve is actually when we have dinner with all of my family. It's like a Spanish thing that you usually like celebrate on Christmas Eve rather than Christmas Day. But this year, since we can't like really go out on Christmas, we usually go to the movies or just like do dinner or something. But we're just gonna like keep it chill and stay home since no one's really like going out doing stuff like that. So I think we're actually gonna have like a ham and like regular Christmas dinner, which we've never done like ever in our lives. But that'll be nice too because with John's parents being here, they've always done that, and we used to have Christmas night to go to their house when they lived here, and it'll just be nice to have everyone together and do it a little more traditional this year. So yeah, either way we're just gonna chill on Christmas, and tomorrow's gonna be like last minute prep, which I'll show you guys and bring you along. And yeah, hopefully just get more in the Christmas spirit. I haven't felt any of it and it's really sad. We haven't like really done anything. We haven't seen lights. We were gonna go to Busch Gardens one day because we still have passes and they have like the Christmas decorations, but we never went and we just have our passes for no reason. We really need to get rid of them. But we'll see. Hopefully it starts feeling a little more like Christmas. And like I said, I've just been so occupied with the car situation that I haven't even had a chance to like enjoy the season. So this isn't going to be a super long video since it is only going to be a couple days and it's just wrapping up Vlogmas and showing Christmas and stuff. It's mostly going to be probably like montage clips. But yeah, I definitely need to go through the gifts that I have and figure out what I can wrap tonight because I just need to start getting that out of the way because like I said, I haven't even started.
The feelings that I've had for you, I've been describing this entire time. I just didn't know.
So I'm home from work. It's Wednesday. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve, so I have tomorrow off and Friday. So today I'm just gonna be doing like some stuff around the house. I'm gonna clean my bathroom and then I'm gonna help my mom bake some cookies for Christmas. I also have to wrap John's presents because I haven't even started his. I did some yesterday, but I didn't do his yet. And I actually have to do my parents at some point, but I don't want to do it like when they're around. Maybe I'll have a chance to do that tomorrow or late tonight. But right now I just have to clean my shower, my sink, just everything. Even my room got a little bit cluttered, so I'm gonna put stuff away in there. And then yeah, do more Christmassy stuff. Making, what are they called? Hello Dollies. They're like chocolatey coconut things. This is my mom's like favorite thing. She has a cart for like all her stuff that she'll like wheel out from the pantry. Brings it on here. So we have all our ingredients. Okay, so I just picked up my room. Definitely looks better. Always have like a pile for John, like stuff that needs to go to his house. Not my phone, but the rest of the stuff is gonna go to him. And then these are some gift cards I'm putting in gifts that I'm about to wrap. Have my candle going. The one that smells like pine tree. It has a cute little Christmas tree in the lid. Yeah, I mean, it was just like a little like cleanup. It wasn't like in-depth cleaning. I need to get the rest of my presents. I don't know if I showed you guys. I've been storing all of the presents that I bought here. I have like this little space in between my closet, so I've been putting them all here, and I just have to wrap John's. Basically it's just John's and my parents that are left, so I'm gonna grab John's first because like I said, I don't want to like do my parents' gifts while they're like right there, so I might just wrap those in here, but I'm gonna take John's gifts outside now. So today is Christmas Eve. I'm actually about to go out and shop. I know it sounds insane. There's one more thing I wanted to get for John. Really casual today. I'm wearing Adidas sneakers, my like white cream colored sweatpants, just a black crop top t-shirt, and then my black puffer. I went ahead and got ready for Christmas Eve tonight. As you can see, I have like pretty much full face of makeup on. And I did try and curl my hair for like how I wanted it to look tonight, but I'm not loving how it looks. Our water's really bad. We need a water treatment since, again, we just moved in. It has not been doing good on my hair. I also use my really big barreled wand, and I used to use that all the time and I liked it, but I don't know. I'll have to like see about my hair later because I don't think this looks very good. But yeah, I'm about to head out and get that shopping done, and then I'll be coming back home hopefully with enough time. I hope I'm not rushed. I actually slept a lot later than I wanted to today. I woke up at like noon, which is insane. I thought I was gonna wake up like 10, which is like my new sleeping in. I used to sleep till noon all the time, but since I've been on a more early schedule with work, usually sleep in for me is like 10. And I just didn't set an alarm, and I actually fell asleep like laying on top of my phone. I woke up in the middle of the night and had to like plug it in. So I'm feeling a little overwhelmed. It's like one of those mornings you wake up and you're like, oh my god, what just happened? So it's 1:46 now, and I need to be back here by like 5:30. So I think like that's plenty of time because I'm not going very far to shop. So I just got in the car. I'm about to head to the stores, like I said. I ended up painting my nails right before I left because they need to be done, and I figured like I was gonna do them either now or when I got back. So I just want to get it over with, but I'm the worst at like not letting my nails dry, and then I go and touch everything and they all pretty much got messed up, I'm pretty sure, but I mean, it's not too bad. You can't see from far away. I realized it's actually pretty hot outside, so I took off my puffer and I'm just like bringing it, but I'm probably not even gonna wear it because it's pretty hot. It's like, I think it's like 70 or almost 80 degrees on Christmas Eve, but I mean, that doesn't bother me. I love the hot weather. But I think it's supposed to be pretty cold tomorrow on actual Christmas, which never happens. I'm kind of in a rush. I don't know how much clips I'm gonna get out shopping, but I'm about to head out and do that now. So that was a complete fail. I went everywhere and I didn't find anything. So I've been out for, what time is it now? It's probably been like 2 or 3 hours, and I went to a million places and didn't see anything. So, oh well, maybe I'll find it later and can just give it to him randomly. But I'm about to get ready. Like I said, I already have my makeup done. I'm gonna recurl my hair, and I'm wearing this sweater dress. It like ties around the middle, so it's not just like
paper bag.